Hello everyone, my name is Nazubata Aulia, NPM 244111072. I'm from Facultas Economy and Business, Class Management 24C. Today we will present the topic entitled the concept of power and influence technique in leadership. Leadership is important aspect of every organization, whether we're talking about company, a school, a university's organization, or even a support team. Leadership play a crucial role in determining success. Many people think that leadership is simple about having authority or being in charge. However, leadership is much more than that. A true leader must be able to influence, motivate, and guide another people toward a common goals. In the presentation, we will discuss the meaning of power, the source of power, the concept of influence, superficial influence techniques used by leaders, and the relationship between power and influence in effective organization success. We hope this presentation will help understand how leader and effective influence another will maintain positive relationship with the organization. Before discussing power and influence, let's first understand why those concepts are important. In organization, leadership does not only depend on position or title. Having a high position does not automatically make someone an activity leader. For example, a manager may have authority because of their position, but its employees do not trust or respect them. The leadership may not be effective. On the other hand, there are individuals who not hold many material possessions but are high respect because of their experience and personality. These people can use another even without formal authority. Power and influence are important because they help leader direct employee behavior, build teamwork and competition, encourage commitment, solve problems effectively, at effective organization goals. Therefore, understanding power and influence is essential for anyone who wants to become a success leader. Now let's discuss the meaning of power. According to Yuval and Grinder, power is the ability of an individual to influence the attitude, behavior, and decision of another people. Power allows leaders to guide people to desert a common and organization objective. Many people assume the power only comes from a formal position, such as being manager or director. However, power can come from many different sources. For example, imagine a senior employee who has worked in company for many years, even though they were not manager. Another employees forsake the active and follow their suggestion because they trust the experience. This so the power can also come from knowledge and competition, social relationship, personal credibility, strong character. In other words, power is not simple about authority. It is about having this ability to influence people in a meaningful way. A leader who understands how to power with leads can encourage cooperation and create a positive working environment. Power in organization general come from two main characters: person power and personal power. Let's begin with the position power. Like main powers come from a personal official position with an organization. For example, employees follow the instruction of a manager because the organization regards the manager authority. Reward power. Leader power refers to a leader ability to to provide rewards such as promotion, bonus, inactivity, praise, or regulation. Employees are over motivation when they know their effort will be accretive. Core creative power. Core creative power implies the ability to apply punishment or sanctification. Example include warning, demotion, or disciplining actuary. Although core power can be activity in create succession, example use many character fear and disaffection. Now let's discuss personal power. Expert power. Expert power comes for knowledge, skill, and expertise. People are more likely to power someone has proven competence and experience. For example, employees offer trust technical experts because of the specialist knowledge. Referred power comes for charisma, personality, and interpersonal relationship. People follow their leader because they admire, respect, and trust them. Among success of power, aspect power and direct power are confessions the most stable because the anchor follower commitment rather the power completion. After understanding power, let's move on the influence. Influence refers to process by which leader affect the attitude, belief, and behavior of another. Influence is important because power alone does not guarantee result. A leader may have authority, but is not can influence people effectively. The main struggle of I've heard glows. Effective influence is usually purposive, logical, based on the truth, focus on the competition. For example, instead of ordering employees to work hard, and leader might explain why a project is important and how this benefits both the organization and employees. When people understand the pros behind the text, they are more willing to contribute. This character strong commitment and better performance. They from activity leader of based on the influence rather than control. Leaders use fear technique in influence another. According to York and General, some common influence technique include rational perception. This tactic use fact and device logic and reasoning. For example, a manager may present sales data to convince employees to adopt a new strategy. In personal appeals, the activity applies to emotional value and ID. Leaders inspire employees by connecting work to a meaningful vision. Conclusion influence asking employees for suggestions and include them in decision making. This makes employees feel valued and increase their commitment. Organization, this is technique effort begin fairly, respectfully, and activity before making a request. Pressure includes demand, remains, and present requests. Collection influence grading support from another to start their influence. Each tactic has advantages and disadvantages depending on the situation. Therefore, leaders need to choose the most appropriate tactic for each charisma stage. Not all influence techniques are actually activity. Research show that some tactic produce better results than others. Rational person in concentrate on the most activity technique. People then support decision when they understand the fact and technology behind them. For example, in company need result counts, leader can present financial data to explain the reason for change. Inspiration appeal are also high effective. People are natural motivation when the for concept meaningful purpose. For example, a leader may remain employees there are work help employees customer life. This character user motivation. However, calm technique because has activity if used excessively. Pressure too much pressure manages stress and result. Explain my company temporary, but the motivation of person conferring overliness on pushing can be damaged and reduce job satisfaction. As a result, modern leader general refer positive in course technique rather that complete method. According to Harvard Business Review, leadership is modern organization is changing. In the part, leadership over help authority and hierarchy. Today, organization emphasizes collaboration, innovative, and employee engagement. As a result, influence has become more important than formal authority. Effective leaders focus on building trust, developing strong and combination, according participation in press employees. Employees are more likely to perform well when they feel respect and influence. Modern leadership is trained far less about controlling people and more about employing them. Leaders who commit activity and inspire confidence of more successful than those who really sold authority. Now let's examine the relationship between power and influence. Power and influence are closing contacts. Power provides the potential in influence another will influence the actual process of using the power. Think of power as tool and influence as the way the tool is used. Let the power but influence must struggle to gain support. Influence must about interaction but they might not be full competent. Merely influence without strong foundation of power may have limited activity. Successful leader can be different success of power and influences technique opportunity. They know how to build trust, motivation and police commitment activity adapt to direct situation. By doing so, the character strong relationship and better organization outcomes. To conclusion or presentation, power and influence technique and essential compact or effective leadership. Power is ability in comes another will involve in the power applying the ability in real situation. Power can from formal authority, expensive reward, relationship, and personal qualities. However, having power alone is not enough. Leaders must also know to use influence effectively. The most successful leader rely on the positive inputs, technique, success, rational precision, conclusion, and impression appraisal. The upper can help build trust, commitment, and cooperation. In the two-day organization, leadership is not meant only by the authority but also ability in inspire and influence people. Through comes goals. Therefore, leaders will come power with the activity includes technique more than like to activity organization success and create positive working employees.